Hello students, have you seen a potter working on his wheel? The picture shows you the potter is shaping a lump of clay into a pot. So the wheel rotates and with skilled hand he changes it into different shapes. Now can this change be reversed? Yes. If he doesn't want to change it into a pot, he can get back the clay again. After he shapes the clay into a pot, what does he do? He then bakes the pot in an oven. Here you see it is being baked. Now when it is baked, it hardens. Now can this change be reversed? No. So this is an example of irreversible change. Similar way, raw egg to boiled egg or fried egg, batter to idli or grain to its flour, milk turns into paneer or curd, or bud blooms into flour. These all are the examples of irreversible changes. What do you see here? Two seedlings. At the middle it is that of lemon, and the side just only one leaf is seen, that is of palm. This is the picture taken after 2 months of those two seedlings. Now they have increased in size, in length. See, the palm seedling had only one leaf, it has turned into two, and it has increased in length also. Even the lemon seedling also has grown many leaves. Now after 2 months the picture had been taken. So think about after 2 years, will they fit in this small pot? And for this, can we change it back into that small seedling? No. So growth of organisms is also an example of irreversible change. Do you know what is plaster of Paris or pop? It is white powdery substance. Large quantities of this substance is found in Paris and it is so termed. It is used in setting the fractured bone. Here you see it is made into a paste and applied on the fractured part, and it hardens and it sets the bone. Now can this change be reversed when it hardens? After that, can we get back the powdered form? No. It is also an example of irreversible change. We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. This is the ring and this is the wooden handle. Here also the ring and this is the wooden handle. Here you see the ring inside which the wooden handle is inserted. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. That means it expands. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. Let us see. This is the wooden wheel and this is the metal rim. Again, the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. So, these are also examples of reversible changes. When we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. The water changes into its vapor. Now let us do some activities. Here I have taken glass of water and little amount of salt. This salt I add to the water and stir it. As I stir, so it gets mixed with the water, it dissolves in water, right? Now can I get back the salt again? Yes. If it is heated, when water is being boiled, it gets evaporated. And as we keep on heating, ultimately you find the salt will remain and the water will be evaporated. If we want to get back the water, distillation is the process by which we can get back the water also. So this is an example of reversible change. As we boil water, it gets evaporated, but when we cool water or we freeze water, so it turns into ice. Here you see some ice cubes are there. So when we freeze it, it turns into ice. Now these ice cubes have been taken out of the refrigerator and kept in the room temperature. Now you see it is turning into water again. What we say, melting of ice. The ice melts into water. Now this water again, if we keep it in the refrigerator, it will turn into ice. So what kind of change is this? This is also reversible change. So today we have learned about some reversible and irreversible changes. Thank you, students.